Hi guys, welcome to Jazee's recipes and this is Jazla Ismat. Today, let's make a recipe which is one of my most favorite comfort food and that is an egg roast. So let's begin. For this, we need to begin the recipe by heating oil in a pan. Then add chili powder, turmeric powder and mix for 3 to 4 seconds. Then make 4 opposite slits on eggs. Do not make deep slits, go till the yolk. Add them in oil and fry until they become light brown. Once the eggs become slightly brown, take them out from the pan. Now add the sliced onions in the same oil and saute for few minutes and then add bay leaves and saute till the onions turn light brown. Next add some salt, pepper and mix them all well. Now add chopped tomatoes and cook until they become mushy. Once they are cooked, add fried eggs and coat them nicely with masala and cook the eggs covered for 5 minutes. Finally, sprinkle some spring onions and turn off the flame. Finally, this is done and ready. Do try this at home and do not forget to watch what next Jazee's recipes bring into your kitchen. Also, don't forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe to Jazee's recipes. Thank you for watching.